Hello everybody, welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms for Coding Interviews. I am your instructor, Nick White, and this is my first course ever. If you didn't see my YouTube video, I decided to make this course because a lot of people studied using my videos to get into companies, and they really enjoyed my teaching style. And people request me to teach on YouTube all the time. However, I moved towards making more entertaining style content. So this platform and the amount that you paid to have access to this platform and this course, this is where I'm going to be teaching from now on. Now, here's what you can expect. I am going to go over all of the fundamentals. That will be the first thing available through this course. So each data structure, I'm going to do an overview of the data structure, talk about how they work. I'm going to talk about time and space complexity, and I'm going to talk about famous and general algorithm techniques. Now, as far as timelines for this, I'm just going to continuously add content to the platform. So it's not all going to be available at once. I'm just going to continue working on it day by day and adding more things. Now, what you should not expect from this course is to automatically get into a FANG company. This should not be your go-to resource to getting into FANG. I'm not advertising it as that. I'm advertising it as me teaching what I know on this platform for people that like my teaching style. This is my teaching for the people that like how I teach. This is going to be on this platform. You can't expect this to be as good as all these other resources that have been around for years anyway, because it's only been a little bit over a month for me to get this basic content out, and I'm going to be adding stuff over time and improving it. Some videos might be removed and redone as I have more time to make things better. So with all that being said, I hope that you can go lesson by lesson. It should be in chronological order. Watch the videos. I want to make these just easy for people to understand, and for the people that can't solve like LeetCode and HackerRank questions on their own, to study for interviews on their own. I hope that by the end of this, you will have found some value, and you can just go to those platforms and you'll understand how to start these questions and how to just continue and study on your own. As opposed to other courses, I want to make this a little bit entertaining. I think that's the point of education, is to be engaging. It's not all about the information, because if you're bored, you don't retain. So I'm gonna maybe put some jokes. I don't. If you don't like that, I'm sorry, but I think that's how I'm gonna innovate on the education system here. We're gonna add jokes. We're gonna add editing. We're gonna try and make this as good of a time as possible. So that is it for now. Welcome. Hope you found value, and let's begin.